Ever wondered how to make the perfect crispy French fries at home? Well, you're in the right place. There's something about those golden sticks of potato goodness, isn't there? Crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and oh so addictive. They're a universal love language, speaking to the heart of both the gourmet and the fast food enthusiast alike. But achieving that perfect balance of textures can seem like a culinary Everest. Fear not, fellow fry fanatics, because today, we're demystifying the process. Let's start at the very beginning, the humble potato. Not all potatoes are created equal when it comes to frying. We're looking for the starchy kind, like a good old russet potato. These spuds have a higher starch content, which means they'll give us a nice fluffy interior and a superior crunch. Now the size does matter. We're aiming for a thickness of about 1/4 inch. Too thin and they'll burn before they're cooked through. Too thick and they'll be doughy. Get yourself a sharp knife and start slicing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't worry if your first few aren't quite there. Once you have your potato batons, it's time to prepare them for their hot oil bath. We're going to boil them first. Yes, you heard right. We're boiling our fries before we fry them. This might seem like an extra step, but it's the secret to that irresistible texture we're after. The boiling process cooks the potato through, ensuring a fluffy interior, while the frying will give us that golden, crispy exterior. So pop those cut potatoes into a pot of cold water, bring it to a boil, and let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. They should be starting to soften but still hold their shape. Drain them well and let them dry. Moisture is the enemy of crispy fries, so make sure they're as dry as possible before they hit the oil. Now that our potatoes are prepped and ready, we're halfway to achieving that golden crispy perfection. So you've got your potatoes ready. Now it's time for the magic to happen. Let's move on to the art of frying. The secret to that extra crunch you crave lies in a humble ingredient: cornstarch. Coating your boiled potatoes with cornstarch before frying gives them that irresistible crispy texture. Now the oil temperature is crucial here. You want it around 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Too hot, and your fries will burn on the outside while remaining raw on the inside. Too cold, and they'll soak up too much oil, becoming greasy and soggy. Avoid the temptation to overcrowd your pan. Giving your fries space to swim ensures they cook evenly and attain that perfect golden color. Speaking of color, that's your sign. Once they've reached a beautiful golden hue, you'll know they're ready. Voila! Perfectly golden, crispy fries, but wait, we're not done yet. It's time to whip up some mouth-watering cheese sauce. Now what's a pile of crispy fries without a deliciously gooey cheese sauce, right? So let's dive right into it. The first step on our cheese sauce journey is creating a roux. This is where we take the butter and flour and combine them in a pot over medium heat. This is not just about mixing them together. No, we're talking about a culinary tango, a dance of ingredients that sets the foundation for our sauce. As the butter melts and the flour integrates, you'll notice a paste-like consistency forming. We're looking for a light, sandy color here. Now remember, patience is key. We don't want to rush this process. Once we've achieved that golden hue, it's time to add in the milk, slowly but surely. This is where the magic happens. As the milk absorbs the roux, our sauce begins to thicken, transforming into a creamy concoction. But we're not done yet. Next, we're adding the salt and chili powder. These are the sparks that will ignite the flavor of our sauce. Stir them in and let the flavors meld together. Finally, it's time for the star of the show, our cheddar cheese. As it melts into the sauce, it brings everything together, creating a velvety, cheesy symphony. And remember to keep stirring. The secret to a smooth, creamy sauce is constant stirring. And there we have it, a creamy, cheesy sauce that's ready to smother our crispy fries. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. We've peeled and cut our golden potatoes, bathed them in a hot oil bath until they achieve that ideal crunch, and whipped up a cheese sauce that's nothing short of liquid gold. Just imagine sinking your teeth into that perfect fry, the crunch resonating through you, followed by the warm, creamy embrace of the cheese sauce. So here you have it, folks, the perfect homemade crispy fries with cheese sauce. Time to dig in and enjoy with a cold soda. Don't forget to share this video with fellow foodies, and until next time, keep cooking.